back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, if you don't know me already, and I have a really exciting video for you today. Just in case you haven't already read the title, I'm going to be unboxing my Glossybox on camera for you, and this is June's Glossybox. I know last month I actually compared Glossybox to Birchbox, but this month I'm just going to be unboxing my Glossybox. So let's get into the video. And we're back to the pink box. Isn't this just the prettiest pink? Like, it's stunning. So last month we had a zebra box or a cheetah box, like the zebra box. I'll leave that linked up here just in case you want to go back and watch last month's where I compared Birchbox to Glossybox. So this is what it looks like when it is opened up. Like this. And it looks like the theme is World of Beauty. So for anybody that doesn't know what Glossybox is, it's a beauty monthly subscription box, and it's £10 every month. You get 5 different beauty related products. Sometimes you get skincare, sometimes you get makeup, sometimes you get tools. So with every box it comes really nicely package, and you get this little card that comes with it. It tells you all the information about all the products. As you can see, it's World of Beauty themed with all these really pretty illustrations on it. Look really nice. And then opening it up, this is what it looks like. Let's get into it. How pretty are these illustrations. Glossybox always have such nice illustrations, like their design team. Amazing. So the first thing that I can see straight away in my box is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's super 50s, and these are makeup removing cloths, and it looks like you get 2 in here. Let's take a look at them. Ah, zebra print. Why did you get 2? Are they both the same? Yeah, so they're both exactly the same. Now, I believe you can literally just take your makeup off with just this. You don't need any other products with it. This side, you can just take your makeup off, and then if you want to exfoliate, you can use this side. This will exfoliate your skin. This is super good for someone like me that has sensitive skin. This will get used a lot. This will get a lot of use. I'm really happy that I have one. I've wanted a microfiber cloth for a while, and Glossybox is providing me with that. I think this is a great product. They're eco-friendly, you can reuse them, it's not a one-time use, full-size item. Yeah, I'm real happy with these. And these retail for £7.99. Kind of getting the vibes that they should have been in last month's, but I don't know. Just because the discount code on the top of this here as well is wild, so the next thing I'm so excited to use. This is a proper treat in a Glossybox, and it's the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, and this is in the shade Very Vanta. So it's got liquid on one side and crayon on the other side. It is so exciting that we get a Huda Beauty product, full-size product, in the Glossybox. Let's try and open up. Oh, this packaging is really nice. So, oh, it's like a diamond, if you can see that. I like it a lot. Ooh, bougie. Now, we have received Huda Beauty products in the past as well. Now I've got a lip gloss from them. Probably got a few other stuff as well. So this is the pencil side right here, and this is what it swatches like. I have no idea what that swatches look like. Oh, it's really jet black. I really like that. It's really jet black. Nice, I like it. And this side's the liquid side. Oh, it's from pull this side, but you twist this side. These are some pretty bad swatches, so I do apologise. Possibly some of the worst swatches I've ever done. Actually, if you look at my other videos, I've probably done worse swatches, to be honest. And this actually retails for £18, so already you have more than the value of the Glossybox. So amazing. I'm super excited to use that. And the third item that we've got this month is an eyeshadow brush duo set, and this is from LA/Cosmetics and looks like this. So you get 2 eyeshadow brushes, you get this sort of setting one that you can apply things with, set things down, blend things, and then you get this other one that's more of a precise defining kind of brush, so you can do like your brows or your wing liner. I believe I've had products from LA/ before as well. £15 these are for the 2 brushes. Oh, it's not too bad for 2, I guess. They feel soft, feel really soft. I would definitely get a lot of use out of these. The next item's from a brand called 3NR Makeup. 3NR Makeup. I think that's what it is. I think that's how you say it. And it's an eyeglass. I've never had an eyeglass before. I've never tried an eyeglass before. And this is what it looks like. So let's take a look. Oh, it's got that sponge applicator. Don't normally like the sponge applicators because, you know, we twist up too much and you can't retract it. But let's see what it looks like. Have we got anything yet? No. Anything now? Oh, we've got some yet. So that's what it looks like. Right here. That's gonna look really nice on the eyes in like spring, and then when the sun hits it, it's gonna be really nice. You can just dead easy chuck it on your eyes. Don't need to be like too precise out the door. Oh no, Lowe's is coming out now. Oh yeah, if you do get this, don't underestimate this. Just be patient. Unlike me, be patient. Yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I'm really excited to actually use it on my eyes. Like, I think it's gonna be really nice in my collection to just like glide on the eye and get like a nice subtle dewy shine to my eyelids. Perfect. And once again, this is another full-size item and it's £14.68. That's a very random price. And the final item in the Glossybox is an under eye mask, and this is from the brand Natura. This is what it looks like, and it is potato and parsley infused under eye mask. Now this is not my usual ingredient. It's probably not even a flavour that I would actually pick up in the shop, but I'm really interested to try it. So the potato part of it is supposed to be really brightening and like rejuvenate your under eyes, hydrate them, and it's supposed to like target puffiness like under your eyes before you apply makeup. So I'm super excited to try these because as you can see, I definitely need some help there, and I love getting under eye masks. I love them. My bad, this is actually from the brand Beauty Pro, and this is just the Natura collection, part of that brand. Yeah, so like I said, so the potato is brightening and the parsley is depuffing. Is depuffing a word? Depuffing, I'm going with depuffing. And this is £5.95. For a one-use thing, it's pretty pricey. So that's why I love getting these kind of products in my Glossybox, because I wouldn't pay £6 for under eye mask for one use. I just wouldn't. But I'm really happy to get this like extra treatment that's going to brighten, depuff. Let's see if it works. And I'll let you know. Keep an eye on that description box and I'll let you know. And that's actually it for June's Glossybox. I think we've got some really good products. Like, I'm really excited to use this. That's really exciting. Excited to use this on my eyes. Just like chuck it on. Super excited to use this as well. Super excited. And I get to do an under eye mask, and yeah, I love it. Love it. And so I obviously paid £10 for this box, but everything in the box actually added up to £61.62, so I can't complain with that. And in the description down below I will have my referral link so that you can get 20% off your first box, so even more savings. But I do get a little bit of kickback from that, so I don't know what, because nobody's ever used my code, but I do get something, so that's worth noting. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got Glossybox. Did you get some different items from me? And I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button while you're at it too. That would really help me out a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!